what I get because Mama is saying, no, he said, eat that one. He said, tell me about you. Good job, Kesha. No, me. I did more. Because I guess you come up. It's not the camera. No, I told you. The one to come up. I mean, no. I mean, juice. The one juice or milk because it's milk. Yeah, why we make it eat like that? Look, my sister eat. Mm. Mm. So mama, I just see you. You can because Rapido, you can say hello me. You say my name is Lovely. And my sister is Nikesha. Goodbye. It's so funny. Goodbye. Goodbye. Guess how was it?